Hi guys! Welcome back again to Decadency. How you guys doing? Welcome back. Thank you for tuning in once again. Today, well, before I go there, welcome back to Decadency. This is Tlhago. Sejamuhulu, musimana ko mafikeng. Ulikiseza dijo so. Wale faman. Okay, let me get to the food. You know, enough about me. Today we'll be making a chicken roulade. I'm going to stuff it with cheese and some spinach, and then I'm going to like wrap it up in bacon, shove it in the oven. Yo, monate o mo ba gaetsho. I'm gonna make the chicken roulade with some roasted potatoes. That's literally gonna be it. You know, I'm all about simple meals. Yeah, so if you want, you can add like a side salad. I'm just a light eater because I mean that's like the potatoes are gonna be like so much carbs. So I'm just trying to balance this meal. Yes, let's get to the pots. In front of us today, these are all the ingredients that we're gonna need to make this chicken roulade and some roasted potatoes. We got some potatoes in the house, potato. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, wait, ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, both of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chicken breasts. I have some bacon, some grated cheese, some spinach, and a few spices that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna use the Braai spice, chicken spice, Himalayan salt, coriander, ground coriander, the spice, and a lemon and herb roasting kit from Woolworths. Time to butterfly the chicken. So butterflying a chicken is basically cutting it in half, but not in half. So in half of a half. I hope I make sense. Right? It's like, yay, the things is making the sense. This is how, this thing is gonna disturb me. This is what butterflying a chicken is. That's it, literally. So it's butterflied as it is, literally. So you get more of the breast. If you want to make like a chicken burger, this is what you need to do. You must butterfly your chicken so that, you know, it fits nicely on your burger. So yeah, this is what I have to do with all of the breasts. So I'm just gonna do that. I have decided to turn this on so that the potatoes cook while I'm busy seasoning. So that by the time I put it in the oven, you know, these are very close to cooking, so I can just put them in the oven at the same time, because these need 15 minutes. The chicken needs about 15-20 minutes to, you know, roast, and then even nice, man, you know. I'm gonna leave that to boil, and I'm gonna get back to the seasoning of the chicken. Just gonna drizzle olive oil on each breast individually, like on both sides. So I'm gonna, yeah. Yeah. So each breast needs olive oil so that the seasoning sticks. You know, man. Just gonna flip that so that I can apply olive oil on the other side as well. I'm not gonna season the chicken on both sides. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to season it on the outside, and then on the inside, it'll just be the spinach with the cheese. Then I'm gonna roll it up. So some of that seasoning is, you know, going to get in the eventually. I'm gonna flip them over so I can actually just start with the stuffing and the rolling. Yes. Just to see how this is gonna work out. Some cheese, spinach. Okay, let's do this. Let's roll it up. And a little bit of spinach as well. Just do that. roll it up. Ooh, okay. Gonna grab a piece of bacon and just wrap it up already. Cool. Gonna grab a stick so I can just poke it so that everything stays in place. Where's the end of the chicken? Oh, right here. So I can just do that. And I'm gonna get another one, come at another angle, do that. And then, so this is my roulade. I am going to put it on my pan so I can get it ready for when the potatoes are done and I can get it to roast. Potatoes are done. I am literally just going to pour them on the sides of the pan. Cut some knobs of butter, and then just pour some cheap seasoning. Put it in the oven and just wait for like a good 15 to 20 minutes. Chicken is done. I know it's a little bit burnt, but it doesn't matter. It's the taste that matters. Yeah, at least it's the bacon that's burnt, not the chicken. My potatoes are nice and cooked, so I'm now just going to take out the sticks and chuck them away. If you want, you can cut your roulades. I will cut one for you so you can just see how it looks in the middle. Now I just want to get rid of all these sticks because I don't need them now that the chicken is cooked. Anyway, I'm done with my chicken roulade. I have my roulade right up in there. It's popping. My potatoes, my starch honey, and it is now time to indulge. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much. Woo! Yo!